Hey guys, good morning. Well, let's go over Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're going to take a look at the overall market and see what's going on here. I'm going to dive in. We're going to be looking at the long versus short trades on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. One's a lot better than the other, and we're going to look at the market cap strength. Going to give you guys all the metrics here. So let's dive in. Guys, before we start this, I have so much fun recording the scalping videos. So I just ended up rendering a video for you guys. I actually posted it in the Telegram channel. We're 122 wins and 1 loss. This is our main strategy that we use. Okay, we've lost one trade and that was on Luna, just so you guys all know. But 122 wins, that's what we've won. We have some trades in drawdown, just to be completely honest with you guys, but we still have the healthiest account we can find on YouTube. And I just posted this in the Telegram channel for you guys. June 1st, which is today, is the best scalping trade setup. We've won 6 out of 6, and we're looking for 7 out of 7 trades, and they're all 4% profit each. So I was just thinking about this before we start, because literally, if you guys are watching this, that's great. I'm going to show you the analysis of where I think the market's going to go, and it's going to play into that. But watch the scalping video, because that's where you literally just start making money. Like, aren't you guys on YouTube sitting on your bed right now, your couch, in your car? You're wanting to make money, right? So that scalping video, I was thinking about this. If you guys have, let's say, $10,000, and we use 3 different buy limits for that. So let's just divide that by 3 to use really, really, really good risk management. Times that by 4%. You guys are looking at about $133 on each scalping trade. Like, some of you guys go to work during the day between 8 to 5 every day, and you guys don't even bring home over $125 depending on where you guys live. Some of you guys, it's way less for those of you guys who are my overseas clients. So like, we're talking about some pretty good money made over here. Those are my bigger clients who are using $1 million accounts. Seriously, those of you guys who are using $1 million accounts, you're talking about $333,000 times 4%. You're talking about $13,000 per trade setup, and you guys have won all 6 of them, and I showed you another one this morning. It gets pretty crazy. And the confirmation we use is just awesome. Okay. I had to throw that out there because that makes me more excited than anything. Okay, this market's moving down. We currently are at $78,000 out of $150,000 in our portfolio. Still have the healthiest crypto account we can find anywhere, so that is really good, and it is due to the risk management, which I'll show you guys in this video. Let's dive in. Bitcoin and Ethereum. We are seeing our 2 main indicators we look at here. I'll throw in the trend exhaustion this morning too. This morning, we've got stochastic and MACD bearish as well as the 200 moving average here, all right? All we've done here, guys, not much has happened from my last video update, but if you're new, here's the analysis. All we are getting right now is a break and a retest pattern. A break and retest pattern on a resistance. Now support usually likes to see a move back up here. My target is 36,000 that I've been telling you guys, okay? I do think we could have still a little bit further move down. Now, why is that? It's because of the 2 indicators down here. If you take a look at this, let me get this a little bit bigger so you guys can see the movement of price. When trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high, we look for drops back down in the market. And when trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high, we look for drops back down. We're getting that this morning, okay? Trend exhaustion still has a decent amount of room to move down here. So if we do see a move down on Bitcoin, I think we're probably going to go maybe at minimum down to, I would say 30,000. 30,000 I think is going to hold, guys, and that is the lowest I think we're going to go here, and then we're going to see another move back up. Okay, I'll show you some other metrics of why I'm really bullish on this, but I want to just show this to you guys on Ethereum too. Ethereum is doing a break and retest pattern of the channel support versus Bitcoin doing a break and retest pattern on the channel resistance. Okay, so if you take a look at this, Ethereum is just doing the same thing on the bottom here, which could be an easy move back up. For Ethereum, we're looking for a target of about 2,161, okay? Top of the channel, top of resistance there. Now, Ethereum, funny enough, actually has a greater chance here based off the indicators here to see another move back up. Guys, when it was low over here at the bottom, I came out in videos and I showed this to you guys already. You guys are watching for this when it gets down to the bottom here. It didn't call the exact bottom, I'm just going to be honest with you guys, but it got you guys down here before the market started moving up. If you guys are scalping with our indicators, this is where the profit is being made, guys. This is awesome. Okay, indicators in the description, 82% off, snag them. Now, let me show you guys some more bullish signs in the market of why I keep telling you I do believe we're going to hit 36,000. Let me go back over here, show this to you guys so we can get some visuals on here. I believe we're going to hit 36,000, which is the ascending resistance before we come down and we hit $20,000. Because a lot of predictions were at 20,000. Why? It's the high of 2017 in December when the first crazy euphoria bull market took over. And that is the next strongest structure support on Bitcoin, period. Doesn't matter who you are. That is the the support over here. It is at $20,000. So we're comparing this between 36 at the ascending resistance and 20, and I think we're going to hit 36 first. Let's just leave it on the daily time frame. Just kind of fun to look at like that. Okay. Emotionally, we're sitting in the kind of excited neutral section because we're seeing the price move up here. Okay, long over short trades, guys. Long trades saw a crazy move up here in volume, and they have only been trickling upwards since then in the dip. Long trades actually saw a little bit of a dip down the other day, which is, again, adding to the bullish signs here. If you guys wake up here on Bitfinex and you guys see short trades start moving up here like this, that's going to be a pretty bearish sign, but we're not seeing it at all. This is still bullish with money entering the market. Let me show you some on-chain metrics. Market cap strength, the market cap of literally showing you guys where is the money in crypto moving. Where is it going? It is going into Bitcoin. This is what's called a market cap strength dominance chart to show you, all right, let's just, for example, say there's $1 trillion out there in all of crypto. There's more, but we're just going to use that for an example. How much of that $1 trillion is in Bitcoin right now? Well, go to the chart, look left, and it's about, I would say, 47 to 46% of all of crypto is in Bitcoin, guys. All right? It is actually, if you look at this metric on our page over here on the other coins, you'll see that some coins are not moving up as fast as Bitcoin, one of those being Ethereum. Now, Ethereum over here, if you guys look at this and you just go left, you're looking at about, I would say, 18.25% of the entire crypto market is in Ethereum. Guys, a lot more is in Bitcoin. If you look at like Cardano or some of those, let's just look at it for fun, because I know a lot of you guys are trading Cardano. It's been kind of talked about a lot lately because it's actually doing something. Cardano is holding about, I would say it's about 1.7 to 1.8% of the entire crypto market. Now, although this is looking really good, guys, this is actually pretty bullish here of the amount of money that's entered into this recently, which is 2 days in a row now. 3 days, and then yesterday we hit over 10% gains. It's coming back to life, guys. Okay, let me show you some more bullish signs. Let's come down here. We saw that. Great. Coming over here, this is not necessarily a bullish sign based off money flow and the flow of money, but showing smart money, we do need to watch out for this. So here's the difference. When you guys look at this, this shows you exact volume that's going through on Bitfinex for long and shorts. This is still bullish. This down here, market cap increasing, is still bullish. But in the temporary, I am looking for this drop back down, which is why, come back over to Bitcoin, we're looking for that. Let me get this a little bit bigger here. Go ahead to the 4-hour time frame. I'm looking for that drop back down to the structure support, which on here is probably going to put us around $30,000, which I talked about, okay? The reason for that is partly due to this. This is a ridiculous short trade metric that came out here for smart money. Okay, when this happened like this before, and overnight this shot down just like it did here, it told us we were at the top, and it actually called this drop here back down in the market before it happened. This happened as well over here and called this drop back down. So I don't think if this was honestly like this morning, or this metric was like moved up here, or it was just only like that, I would say we have more of a clear shot for a move up. But after seeing that, and also, let's just be honest, the trend exhaustion is nowhere close to oscillating back down to healthy structures and money flow. Guys, Bitcoin absolutely has the potential to move easily back down to 30,000. Okay, so that means the altcoins are probably going to bleed another 5 to 7, 8%, I would say maybe over the next 3-4 days. Okay, now, is it guaranteed to go down there? No, it's not guaranteed. So that's where you guys use the risk management, and you get into trades and you expose yourself to the market. In case it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you have good risk management. I will show you how to do that in this video, which is how we've got 122 wins and 1 loss. Okay. Actually, I just want to dive into that right now. Actually, let's get you guys into a trade setup. Dollar cost average entries, guys. So many people just getting into this price down here are doing well. It's like, guys, this metric, watch it every single day. If you guys are like, look, one of my buddies, Tim, I don't know, Tim, if you're watching this at all, Tim D, I'll say that. I don't want to give away his last name. But I was like, he's like, it would be cool to have something that could just give me a signal every time the market is in a good place to dollar cost average entry, and like not do buy limits or anything like that. Look, I got like $10,000. I want to throw $1,000 in the market every time I get a green line. I'm like, sweet, I think I can do that for you. So we coded this for my buddy, and now thousands of people use it. And we have other YouTube channels like literally talking about these metrics over here. They're like, they work, they're awesome. So you guys are getting this metric over here that we coded in to literally show you guys where the bottoms are before the market's due for a move back up. Okay, it's just the best places to get in, based off the market expected to see it move up. Now, is it going to move up every single time? No, but you and I, if we're both humble enough, don't know exactly when the market's going to head back up. So the only way to get into the market and to be able to make profit is to expose yourself to market volatility. Okay. Now let me move straight into a trade setup right now, because this is where the money's made, seriously, and the good risk management. For Bitcoin today, do I think we could head down to 30,000? Absolutely, I think that. Absolutely, yes, we can do that. Here's how you guys are going to trade this if you want to get into your trade today, which we have used over here to go 122 wins in a row and only one loss. And we still have, guys, I don't want to take time to find it, to waste your time here, but we have the healthiest crypto account. Out of 150,000, we still have about $80,000, where a lot of people have lost everything. Seriously, we have people coming to us, they're like, Travis, I should have used your risk management because I literally just lost everything. I know it's not funny, but it's like, okay, you guys are starting to see this. It's better to learn this now than to just carry this into your trading. Here's how we do this. You guys are going to have 4 different buy limits on Bitcoin. This chart is the same thing on all of our metrics, okay? Because Bitcoin, let me show this to you guys, because Bitcoin sits below the equator, which is the 50% mark, you take the high, which is over here at about, let's just call it $69,000. You take $69,000, divide this by 2. Is the current price above or below 34,500? It is below. So we're going to use 3 buy limits. Okay. So come over here. Let's say you have $1,000. Let's say you have $1 million or $100,000. You're going to put 333 at this buy limit, 333 here, 333 here, or 333,000 if you guys are using $1 million. Okay. And some of you guys actually are. Here is why our traders enjoy this and they do so well. Majority of you watching this who are hearing my voice right now, if you're honest with yourself, when the market's low, or when it's actually probably more so for a lot of people when it's high, you guys market order in with all of your account because of one thing. You want to make the most money on the money you put in the market. I don't blame you, but here's the biggest mistake you guys can make. And this is why you guys have lost your accounts and a lot of people are down far more than what we are. It is because you are not spreading your money out into different buy limits to buy insurance on your trade. When you guys trade with us here, we are using buy limits here. So if, let's say you have your first buy limit hit down here. Let's say you guys all get into this trade right now. This is updated metrics. Excuse me, it's not updated. We literally have like a few more minutes here. Let's see if this updates to the first. Okay, there we go. We're actually sitting at 8 o'clock pretty much literally right now. So these are updated. And I don't know if you guys just saw that. It just changed to 6-1. These are the official buy limits for June 1st. If you guys see price come down here, it hits your first buy limit, which by the way, 30,000, we're going to get you guys in a little bit higher because we want to get in above 30,000. You guys are going to get in here to get tagged. If the market goes up, 33% of your money is making money. And if you guys want to take a profit for, let's say, 10%, 20%, whatever, you guys can do that. I'll show you how to exit this trade in this video. But look, here's the deal. If it goes down and hits your first buy limit, your break-even entry is going to move down. If it hits your second buy limit, your break-even entry is going to move down further. This is the risk management you guys need to be using for now on in crypto. If you market order in everything right now and this thing tanks, you guys are going to be losing on all your money. The people that trade with us, we're going to come back up here, pass our break-even entries, make money, enter back in. And if you guys do that and this thing goes sideways, you'll be making compound interest on every single one of these exits while all your buddies are still holding in a loss. This is why you need to be using this strategy. Look, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult an advisor before entering this trade. I'm just passionate about this because it's what I do. And I saw my account be saved. Like, I didn't lose everything, guys. I still have $80,000. If something happened to my family, I could pull out 80 grand right now and I'd be totally fine in life. Okay? But some of you don't because you lost everything. Use the risk management, guys. This is where it's at. Follow me in Telegram once you guys have your membership over here. This will give you guys access to all the calls that I'm exiting for all the trades. Now, as far as this trade setup you guys are getting into, let me show you, as I told you, how you can exit this. For those of you guys who are looking to exit this trade that you're in right now, I would honestly use the 1-day time frame on this. Here's what you're going to look for. When the trend exhaustion hits the top red section right here, that's where I'd be looking to take an exit on the long trade if you guys get into this morning. Because when trend exhaustion gets high over here on the daily time frames, this is when you guys are starting to see market moves back down in the market. When we have indicators that are this powerful, you need to start viewing them and looking to see what they're telling us, okay? This is going to keep you guys safe. So when you guys see trend exhaustion high and well money flow high, you need to see what's happened in the past. Look for the here. I would say you guys are probably going to experience about, I was going to say like 10%. Yeah, it's probably almost exactly about 10%. It's not at the resistance, but probably around this level here of about 34, 35,000. It's probably going to tank out before 35,000. Let me just say this again. 35, let me get over here. I think if you guys wait for trending exhaustion to the top red section, I think you'll probably snag about 7 to 8% on this. And here's the deal, guys. I would take that profit and not try to just hold this forever. There's no guarantee that this is just going to keep going up. Okay, smart money is actually looking to short right now. So if you guys do that, use the good risk management. All right, guys. The indicators are in the description, so you guys can use those. They are 82% off. Snag these, guys. You're going to get all 9 of our indicators. They're a one-time purchase, lifetime access, and you get the source codes to all of our indicators. This is how you guys are making money. And guys, once you're done with this, watch the scalping video I did. The scalping video, guys, is showing you how to take trades and win those. We've taken 6 trades since May 18th. All have won for 4% profit. You guys do the math on that. 24% profit. Called out, just given to you guys on YouTube. Our scalping videos should be blowing up because we're literally just giving you guys money out in the market on all those videos we're doing on YouTube here. So follow and subscribe to this channel for those updates, okay? Because I'm literally giving them to you guys. I won't be doing them every day, but when I do them, we haven't lost a single trade yet. The membership, guys, to access all those well metrics to see what's going on, and plus you guys need this for the scalping video, it's just right here, $95. All the metric suites for you guys to track what wells are doing, entries and exits over Telegram, I'll post for you guys. All the master classes take you from beginner to pro. Seriously, hedge funds of $1 billion plus. I have them going through the master classes right now. Literally just talking to the guy the other day. Okay, community chat, hang out with each other, talk about the crypto setups, look at the scalping trades. Make sure you guys are in there just taking a look at things. I'm gonna go live with you guys this month in June in an inner circle meeting. We're all gonna get together and we're gonna talk about the market. So all of this you guys get with our membership and then the indicators. We made this so there's just like a one-stop shop. We have the healthiest crypto account in crypto, period. 122 wins and 1 loss on Luna. And we're starting to scalp, and since May 18th, the Matic trade is still in drawdown, waiting for it to come back. But we have since May 18th, just keeping it honest with you guys, 6 trades in a row, calling the 7th one this morning. Okay, all 4%. That is what we're doing with our indicators, and that's how you guys can start making money, okay? I love you guys. Have a good one. Bitcoin, I think we could possibly push down to 30,000, but I think overall we're seeing more bullish signs in the market than bearish. So I would expect this to start heading up, and I think we're going to hit 36,000 first before 20,000. All right, guys, I love you. Indicators are in the description as well as the metrics. Snag those, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.